Hello everyone. Today, we are replacing the batteries for a pair of first-generation Apple AirPods. The customer complained that the battery life has dropped significantly. Let's get started. First, we'll wrap the AirPods with high-temperature adhesive tape, just like I'm doing here. This protects the casing from getting burnt or damaged during the heating process. After wrapping, apply heat evenly around the base. Using a fingernail or a thin tool, gently pry along the seam. A little flick is all it takes to open it. You'll see a lot of glue inside. Use tweezers to clean out the excess carefully. Avoid touching the metal mesh at the top. If the glue is too stubborn, apply a bit more heat. First, disconnect the negative terminal. Now, find the small hole on the positive terminal of the battery. Insert the tip of your tweezers and gently lift it up. Keep the heat around 100 C to make it easier. Once it's loose, rotate and pull the old battery out. Now, take the new battery. Apply a small amount of solder to both the positive and negative terminals. Make sure to align the positive terminal perfectly with the point on the flex cable. Once aligned, use your soldering iron to secure it. If the solder doesn't stick well, add a little soldering flux. After soldering the negative terminal, we repeat the same steps for the other AirPod. Now, let's put them back in the charging case to test. As you can see, the light is on, which means they are charging correctly. Finally, let's connect them to the iPhone. The phone detects them immediately, and the battery levels are showing up perfectly. The sound is clear and working great. And that's how you revive a pair of AirPods. Thanks for watching.